In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this video effect in Canva. I already inserted the same image to an empty project. I just increasing the size, then going to the frames and devices and just searching for one mobile. I will use this and just insert it somewhere. I just size a bit like to here. Then I adding the same video. Double click on the video and just start to playing until I get this what I want. I mean, yeah, this one is good. Just check the position. So the edge of the video is somewhere here. If we really want, we can use a ruler to here, just to get more easier. And we can use the other two rulers to get the proper position like this. And why is it important? We need to add this video again, holding the control button and adjust the size if the Canva let me. So just click on the control and adjust the size of the video and move into the right position. Hope so it's perfectly fit. It's important that the two videos are supposed to be in exactly the same position, otherwise this overlapping will be not that nice. And we're just removing the background of the top video. And now we already have the effect what we want. Maybe it was not perfect, maybe we need to move it a bit more left, was because was a second when she is dancing and her hand is outside in this right part of the frame, but other than you understood what I'm doing, so it's good here. This was the second when actually her left hand just moved out a bit, so we can move the whole video just a half centimeter to the left, both videos actually in the frame and in also the top layer. Then you get the result when her hand is still inside the phone, so that's looks more funny, more natural, and she just moving to the other side. But other than, I'm really happy with this result. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, if hit the algorithm, plus if you have any question or struggling in the Canva, just let me know and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook pages, plus you can find the link for my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I already mentioned, you can find all the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.